whop into action. Happy Boxing Day. I am Unstoppable Tracy. Right now I'm on the way to Nashville with John Jubilee, incredible superstar at a North American scale, thousands and thousands. On December 27th, Daily Goalcast is launching a really great session, which is going to be fabulous. And I'm so lucky that these big things are coming into play for me in December of 2018. But it all started Boxing Day of 2017. What's super important in the holiday season for those of you that are launching yourselves in really big ways is to think of your vision, think of your year ahead, and plan backwards. So what I did for the Boxing Day last year was, where do I want to be 12 months from now? How much money am I looking to earn? What relationships? What about TEDx? What about book sales? What about countries? And so I ended up getting a TEDx in 20 countries 2018, and this phenomenal daily goalcast you're going to see come out tomorrow on the 27th, and it's going to blow up even bigger than TEDx. But it's because of planning Speaker Slam presentation, Superstar Speaker Slam, and wanting to do well with them, and because of them they introduced me to Goalcast. And so plan 12 months out and then work backwards. So for example, if you want to make $120,000 or $240,000 next year and you want to have a staff member, then that means you need to make $20,000 a month. So that means you need to make $120,000 in 6 months. And so what does that mean in 1 month? 20,000. What does that mean in 2 weeks? 10,000. What does that mean in 1 week? 5,000. So what are you going to do to generate that? What marketing, what relationships, who's your top 100 potential leads list, or your products, what new products are you bringing in order to create that plan? So using money as an example, but if you're a difference maker and you're trying to impact 100,000 lives in 2019, well then how many lives is that in 6 months, 1 month, 1 week? And how are you going to impact those lives? So whatever it is, money, lives, your passion, do a backwards plan. And that's how you launch your year. And that's what I did Boxing Day of December 2017 last year. And what I'll be doing again this year when I get home. So Wealthy, Healthy on Purpose, and all you phenomenal, incredible groups that share with me and follow my journey as I stand in the airport today, heading to Nashville, about to launch in a whole bunch of TV stations. Thank you for being part of my journey. If I can do this journey, you can do this journey. We can do this journey. Let's follow each other. Follow Unstoppable You, Unstoppable Tracy, and follow the group that you're in right now and support each other. Thriving. Happy Boxing Day.